Good day, traders. Today, I want to look into gold. I want to do just a top-down analysis on gold. Last month, gold has been consolidating and it was just going up and down, although it has not given us any clear bias on either continuation. But gold is still bullish because from the monthly time frame, you can see that it's still in an uptrend. It's still in an uptrend. No bearish sign yet. But last month, you can see that gold gave us this dodgy look. And it's one of the things that made me to look at it. It made me to look at it now because I think it's going to give us something this month. And this week is NFP week. We have many news events, and today is Wednesday. So we might see some good moves on gold today. So on the monthly time frame, gold have not taken any sign, any specific low apart from this place that we have this, and we don't really have much here. Don't really have much on the monthly time frame. We don't have much on the monthly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Okay, on the weekly, there's something that gold did yesterday, which is on Tuesday. Gold took out the previous weekly high, took out this previous weekly high, and there's a swing point. Remember from the last video, I told you that this rejection here and price came back and did some sweep, and did some retests, then pull back and close below the opening price of this depleted candle. So, and from there, look at this. We have this bullish fair value gap that was disrespected here. There's this fair value gap that was disrespected here. So that was the reason why I was neutral on gold. But this rejection, you see here, the price took out this low, which caused this move up, this particular move up here. But you see this swing points have not been taken out apart from this even the previous month did not take out the previous week high here. The last month did not take out this high, but yesterday this high was taken, and you know that this candle is still moving. So still have this swing low point at 31.17. So this and we still have this one here. Still have this point here, which is aligning with the monthly fair value gap, that tiny fair value gap there. So these are the swing points I'll be looking at as we go lower. So let's see if we can be able to get something. because we still have here. It's just like if price break here, break this 32.46, maybe we might see good coming lower. And when you go down to the daily time frame to get what happened, and you can see that price have already taken out this high and it closed below. Although it closed below, as it closed below, it created a fair value gap as it's closing, created a fair value gap here. And this fair value gap is a bullish fair value gap, which is a bullish fair value gap, which I expect price to come down, maybe react towards it, but here there's no other block confirmation here yet for now. There's just okay. Apart from here, let's see. Okay, let's say it's aligned with the fair value gap. So from the daily, we might see price tap into this and continue higher. It might continue higher, or price might decide to get down to this swing point here. It might try to get down to this swing point here before going higher. You know that everything here is still bullish, and this week is NFP week, so we have to be very careful. We have to wait for price to give us something to hold on to. We have to wait for price to give us something to hold on to. So from here, you will see that on 4 hours you're going down. On 4 hours, that daily fair value gap overlapped with this 4-hour fair value gap here, and price took out this low, and rejected it. So since it has rejected it, we only have here, you have this place, this swing high, you have this swing high, and this clearly shows that even as price have taken out this high, we might say, okay, maybe gold is trying to retest this fair value gap and push up, but we cannot tell because we still have some swing points here. We need to wait for price to take out another strong point, like it's still obeying this previous weekly high. It's still obeying this previous weekly because price is still inside this previous weekly high. So the bearish momentum is still high. So, and if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that here, sorry, let me delete this. So you can see that price has been inside this range. Price has been inside this range. So since price is still inside this range, I expect price to take out any of this, either the high, then I would like to see a clear rejection. When I see a clear rejection on this 1 hour time frame for intraday trading, see a clear rejection here, or maybe from this place, maybe if price decides to take out this low, this previous daily low, if price can take out this previous daily low, because there's still a fair value gap here. There's still a bullish fair value gap here, and price is still sitting inside this fair value gap. So it's still sitting inside this fair value gap. So I still expect price to drop down more. I still expect price to drop down more here. So if price can be able to drop down, maybe I'll join the bullish scenario. I'll join the bullish side because everything is now showing a clear move. So I just need something down here. And okay, let me clear here so that it will not be too much. Okay, so this is the range I'm working on. This is the range I'm working on, and you can see that okay, something it's overlapping. So this particular area is overlapping with the fair value gap. So I still need some drop into this area. Still need some drop into this area at least before the upward movement. So this is what I'm actually expecting. And let me use the fib to see where price is. Okay, you can see that price did a 50% retracement already, has done a 50% retracement already, and I'm still expecting it to tap here. So there are so many confluences here that price might push through down to this place before heading towards the upside. So gold is still bullish, but the bearish part is what I'll be looking at for now. The bearish part is what I'll be looking at for now. I was expecting gold to like come down more, but from the look of things, I think that if gold can actually give us something stronger, and tomorrow is Thursday, a day before NFP, so we'll see some consolidation in the market. So we need to be very careful while trading tomorrow. For intraday traders have to be very careful. For now, I'm not in any trade. Because I was thinking that gold would have just gone down from here. I was thinking that gold would have gone down from here, take out this low before pushing up, but it did not do that. Rather, it obeyed this particular breaker block here and push up. So let's wait and see what gold will do. For now, I'm off gold, I'm neutral, I'm just 50-50 on gold until it gives me something to work on. So I'm still expecting some things on gold for me to go into the bull side. For now, I'm neutral. So please, if you have not been following me, please subscribe, like and share my video. I know that the video is not perfect yet, but with time to start getting better. Thank you and do have a wonderful day. Bye.